terms of the in-house sector, there have been, it started very similarly to 2022 as well. There are still needs. We're still working on a number of opportunities with the banks. The buy side has been busy from the end of last year and early this year. So we're working on a lot of roles with hedge funds and a lot of roles with private equity firms. So that's been interesting. That's an area that traditionally has not been particularly busy, but we're seeing a lot of firms bolstering up here, a lot of hedge funds from other areas making their first hires in Asia. So that's been an area, both for legal and compliance, that we found has been really busy. In terms of the banks, a number of them still officially have hiring freezes, but still have needs. And so we're hoping that, once that stops and once the freezes come off, that there'll be quite a number of roles coming out of them. Equities is still going very well. Equities trading for the banks is still very busy. There will always be a need for lawyers to support that. There's a shortage of equities and equities derivatives lawyers in Hong Kong. So those opportunities are always there, actually, even in the lower markets. So in-house, not too bad. And again, cautious optimism for the year ahead. There have been some cuts. They're again widely publicised. There are a couple of banks who, of course, again widely publicised, have had very, very bad years. And again, they're making cuts as well. So there will be cuts, but at the same time, there's investment. There's investment in the areas where they need to invest. And once hopefully the market picks up, banks, as they always will, once they've cut, they then hire again anyway. So, we're pretty cautiously optimistic, both on the sell side and the buy side, for the rest of 2023.